How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1984 Chevrolet Silverado short bed. Super clean Western truck. It's got the factory light blue metallic paint. Looks like it's had one professional repaint. Super nice. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. The grill, the bumper, everything looks real nice. Chrome looks like new. And this is a Silverado, which is your loaded up truck. It's nice and straight down the sides. All the side moldings and stuff are in excellent condition. It's got the factory rally wheel, BF Goodrich's. The trim on the tailgate, that's the original. It's in excellent shape. Bumpers, it's got the what we call a Suburban rear bumper, nice smooth look. See, the truck's real straight down the sides. It's got your 350. Got power steering, air conditioning, power disc brakes. Nicely detailed, everything underneath the hood. Just very nice. Everything where it's supposed to be. Not all been butchered up. They did put a set of headers on it and dual exhaust. Exhaust goes out the back and exits where the stock would have been. You see how nice and clean all the jams are. And I tell you, when they painted the truck, they had to take it all apart. Did a very nice job. It's the original interior in the truck. Everything in it works. Headliner's real nice. It's the original front seat and carpet, and it's excellent shape. Truck shows like 28,000 miles. Don't know if it's a factory original or not, but as clean as this truck is, it could very well be original mileage. Rhino lined inside the bed. You know, it doesn't look like it was all beat up or anything. They just rhino lined it. It's not all dented up. Tell you, it's real hard to find a nice Silverado that, you know, is all left alone. It's got tilt. They did a Kenwood stereo system there in the console with a couple cup holders, which could be removed if you wanted to make it back stock. Original door panels. Just super clean. The jams, everything. Very nice in this truck. Got the smaller sport mirror. It's got a $700 overdrive trans. Fires right up. Perfect. All the side marker lights are working like they should. Tell you, it's just a super nice truck. Backup lights and everything work on it. Got a nice big 275 BFG on it. Truck rides and drives out. Beautiful. Beautiful running, driving truck. can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.